Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can start your first Shopify website or shop and start selling your products in it. So first of all, what you need to do is go to basically Shopify and create your first product. So here you put your email. So for example, here we put our email, which is gonna be something like that. And I don't know what the symbol is right anyway. So here we click on let's go, and we start creating our store like that. Here here you choose whether you are a new one or already an old one. So this is a new one. So next, this you choose what you want: online shop, normal site web, a shop again like eBay, social media website, or like just personal website. So here we choose shop, online shop, and we click on next. So we clicked on next and we wait. Now here you put the name of your shop. So we name it, for example, coffee shop, and this is the domain name that it will give you. You can change it if you want, and also later on you can buy a real domain name and connect it to this website, so it doesn't matter this step. So here we click on next, and after that they will take us to this page, which is you put here where are you from. So for example, we keep this and we click on next, and here they ask you to create your Shopify ID. So what you're gonna do is, for example, you can just continue with Google or create a new email. So for example, let's create a new thing. So it's gonna be something like that, and here we go. Let's create our Shopify account. So here it is. Your shop is currently in the process of creation, so we will wait a little bit until it will be created. It will not take that much from you guys. So and yeah, after that you will just have to pay $1 per month, and you will start be selling your product by adding products and putting your payments method and etc. And yeah, you will be having all the access to your website from here. Here you can see your comments, your products, your clients, and you can here analyze your data and etc and etc. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually create your Shopify shop. So thank you a lot for watching, and see you in the next video.